morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing some vintage slide clusters. I'm not quite sure what to call them. I've got quite a few of these. So what I'm doing is cutting out the middles here like this. I cut out part of the middle and then I pull out with my jewellery tool. You pull the negative out and hopefully it's stuck at the top, actually stuck in at the top. So sometimes, no, I've managed to do it. It does get a bit tricky, but I've managed to do it. So I've just got to do both of them. They're now both cut out, and what I want to do is some stamping around the edges. I'll just bring this in because I will be going over on a couple of them. And I'm going to use ground espresso so that you can actually see it properly. So I think, no, actually I think I'll use this one. Now I'm going to be putting there we go, on there. I just needed to get a wet wipe to clean the stamps. Now which way round is this? Okay, let's stamp it and see what we come up with. Ah, that way round. Sorry, I apologise for that. That was a WhatsApp message coming in and I just need to get rid of it. There we go. That way. Was it that way? Yeah. So I'm going to put this up here like that. And then I've got a round one here that I'm going to use to go in the corner here. I'm going to kind of do it like that. There. Oh, I didn't mean to go over that handle with care. Oh well, not a lot I can do about that. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So then there's this one, and for this I'm thinking I'm actually not sure what I'm thinking. I'm trying to figure out which stamps to use. Okay, I think I'm going to use some script and these two. So what I've got is, I'm not sure where this is from. I've had it years. So I'm just going to go across on here like that. And then I have some oh, I don't know what you call it, sample, that's the word I'm looking for. I think these are sample dates from the past, yeah. I'm just going to put that there. And then I've also got this little one. I do love this little one. Which I'm just going to put along the bottom here, like that. It does go over the words. I should have put the other one higher up, but there you go. Right, so that's my stamping done. Now to make the collaging. Now what I have, I hope, again, is I've got some bits of book page here. So out there, and then want a base there to cover that, and then I want some oh dear, cheesecloth, if I can find it. There it is. There's some cheesecloth. That piece might be okay. Put that there. Trim that off at the side. I will sort of bunch it in as well. There. And then I've got, where are we? Some flowers. Oh, look, I've got these little ones here. No, don't like that. Something like that. There. Yeah, I like that. And then I've also got some of this that's been left over from my mini file folder project from the Graphics Fairy. Is some of these pieces that I'd made. That way round, sorry. Use a label, or should I use the bigger label? No, it's too big, isn't it? And some lace. Piece of lace here, yes. I do keep a nice big pot. Right, going over there. Maybe that. That. What do you think? Or the red one? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Red one or black one? I haven't used many of these bits, but I've used some, so I'll work my way through them. Okay, what do you think? Red or black? Makes it look quite dark, doesn't it? I actually quite like the red, I think. I'm going to go with the red. Okay, put these aside and this aside. So before I put the clusters on, I'm going to punch some holes here. Do you find you can never get these bits out? That's it. And here. So I'm going to put some dangles in like that. So I've put the holes done. So I'll now do the clusters. What I'm going to do is start off with my heart glitter glue just to put this down, and then move on to my block to do the material. So they're both done, and now we've just got to put the dangle on. You see how easy these are. I've got a key. I thought we'd go with the postal one, key to the door. Putting the post through the door, I don't know, does that work? And I've got the word believe. I can never get these on the right way. No, it's that way, you see, I always do it wrong. No, that's wrong still. I was right in the first place. there, and then the key on this one. Way. And on there. So now you can put these down straight onto a page, or if you wanted to, you could add some photos. So for instance, behind this one, or something like this behind this one, you know, entirely up to you. Or you could put them straight down onto a page, glue these sides and use it as a little tuck spot if you wanted to. Now what I do have is I've got quite a few of these, so I'm putting some of them for sale in my shop, in my Etsy shop, and you get 8 of them. Sorry, I'll show you here. You get 8 of them that are already been pull that up. Here, already cut out for you, so they're all ready to go. These are available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed that. And if you've got some of these, give it a go. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to hit the like button, notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for coming along. Bye.